Hello, world. Good morning. It is officially February 1st, 2024. The time is 9:16 a.m. and I feel great. It's a Thursday. I joined this competition for the month of February to basically see how well I can do in a $100,000 account. So what I had an epiphany last night when I was in the shower, and what I decided, and I wanted to get it out, put it in my journal, is I want to, with the pairs that I'm trading, which is going to be NASDAQ, gold, euro, I want to be watching the dollar when I'm trading those. That being said, whatever the dollar does is going to be king, especially on the higher time frame. I'm always going to reference the higher time frame. Matter of fact, on the dollar chart, I don't even want to look at it on a smaller time frame. I just want to always know where the drawn liquidity on the dollar is, or have a great idea. If I can have a better idea of where the drawn liquidity is on the DXY, the dollar index, then I could trade all these other pairs a little bit more confidently. That's a better word. Probabilities are in my favor if I can trade based off of what the dollar index is telling me. So today, because earlier, maybe like 30 minutes ago, I entered a sell trade in gold. And I got stopped out, and the dollar is rejecting. At the same time, the dollar is rejecting this high. It's a lot of wicks to the upside and to the downside. So when I'm looking at dollar on, the reason I sold gold is because when I look at dollar on the highest time, the weekly time frame, it looks like it wants to draw a little bit higher. I feel like the drawn liquidity is this inverse fair value gap over here. It's a fair value gap and relatively equal highs, right at 104.25. I'm at the market right now. And that just tells me to buy the dollar. Like, boom, boom, yeah. I mean, it just tells me that the dollar wants to go higher. However, on this daily chart, we are in a huge consolidation right now. But I want to see the dollar push higher. So that means I want to be selling gold. Exactly, I want to be selling gold. I just need to be more patient, apparently, because gold looks like it seems like she's ready. I'll let you know. So I just hopped into another gold sale on my demo account. Stops pretty tight. We'll see how this plays out. Other than that, I really don't have much. I'm gonna be scooping up little Boogie in a little bit, so that's always fun. I miss my little mama. But I think I'm just gonna kick it. I just hopped into some Euro sales as well. Just on my account, on my little paper trading account on TradingView. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know how those trades go. I'm in NASDAQ buys in my competition, even though that's kind of against what I was just saying. We're gonna see how NASDAQ wants to react to this fake bullish dollar. All right, because the dollar is low-key kind of falling right now. That's the only reason I'm in these NASDAQ buys. I'm not sure. There's relatively equal highs, and then the dollar wants to go higher, I believe. And I'm going to say that again. I feel like the initial drawn liquidity on dollar is to the upside. Now, I could be very wrong. My bad, y'all. I feel like the initial drawn dollar, like the one that's going to happen the soonest, is to the upside. I could be very wrong. But I'm going to play these trades as if that is happening. So I'm prepared to be wrong. It's just a higher probability. But there's the prices is too perfect. The highs are too close together on dollar. They're way too close. So if dollar goes higher, gold and euro should go lower. So we'll see. I'll check back in later.